Hello student, welcome to our electrical YouTube channel and our subject is electrical material and wiring practice. In previous video, we are studied different types of wire and cable as well as different component and accessories of electrical wiring system. We also studied electrical wiring system. In this video, we will study electrical wiring types. So, start our topic. First, we see the types of electrical wiring. It has basically two types. First type is parallel wiring and second type is a series wiring. First, we see parallel wiring, in which several devices on the installation are powered on single circuit. It is the most accepted wiring in house as well as industries, in which devices are connected in parallel with the supply source. Our next type is series wiring, in which phase wire is rounded in several devices and then last device terminal is connected to the neutral wire. Last device terminal is connected to the neutral. It is like an serial light wiring in which one light burn out leads to the shutdown of the entire network. The series wiring is rarely used wiring. Now we are seeing the different example of electrical wiring. First example is single bulb controlled by one-way switch. Next example is two bulbs are controlled by a one-way switch. Third one example is single bulb or any other load controlled by two-way switches. Fourth one example is go down wiring. Fifth one example is fluorescent lamp controlled by a one-way switch. Sixth one example is socket outlet wiring. And last one example is control switchboard wiring. So we see one by one. First example is single bulb controlled by one-way switch. In this, phase wire is connected to the one terminal of the switch. Phase wire is connected to the one terminal of switch, and other terminal of switch is connected to the bulb positive terminal. Here we see phase wire is connected to the one terminal of switch and second terminal. Here second terminal of switch is connected to the other terminal, that means positive terminal of bulb. Okay. Then bulb negative terminal is connected to the neutral wire. Second example is two bulbs are controlled by a one-way switch. Here two bulbs are controlled by a one-way switch. In this, two bulbs are connected in parallel with the supply wires, that means phase and neutral, which are routed by single way switch. Third one example is single bulb controlled by the two-way switches. Single bulb controlled by the two-way switch. The single bulb controlled by this two-way switch, in which the B1 of first one-way switch connected to the B2 of second one-way switch, and the C1 of first one-way switch is connected to the C2 of second one-way switch, and the A1 of first switch is connected to the this line wire, and the A2 of second one-way switch is directly connected to the positive terminal of bulb, and negative terminal of bulb is directly connected to the neutral connection. Okay. This wiring is also called as staircase wiring, in which a light lamp is controlled from two sources by using two-way switches. This type of wiring is used in bedroom to switch on off the lamp from two sources at the bedside and at the switchboard. The connection of the switch with the lamp our fourth one type is go down wiring. It follows the linear sequence for switching the light from one end to the other. When a person leaves from one room and enter next by turning the light switch, make earlier lamp switch off while present room is switched on. It turn off the lamp while switching another. This type wiring is used in big godowns, long passages, warehouse and tunnel-like structure having many rooms or portions. Fifth one example is fluorescent lamp controlled by a one-way switch. The switching of fluorescent lamp with single one-way switch through ballast and capacitor. In this, phase wire is connected to the one end of the switch and other end of the switch is connected to the choke. One electrode of the lamp is connected to the choke and other to neutral terminal. Sixth one example is socket outlet wire. The outlet holds a plug and passes the current through it when the power is routed to the socket through a switch. The single socket connection and radial socket connection, single socket and radial socket connection. Seventh one example is control switching board wiring, in which ceiling fan, fluorescent lamp and light bulb are controlled by appropriate switches. Here we conclude our different types of wiring is in. Thank you.